Hey, my name is Kevin Melendez. I'm actually a field manager here for FHIA. Been here for the last 3.5 years. Well, here at FHIA, one of the most important things for us is customer satisfaction. We like to have customer satisfaction at all times. So from the beginning, we like to let them know that we are there for them for any questions and anything they need. And after the process, we want to make sure that the product that we give the individuals, they're happy with, that this is what they paid for, that this is what they're looking for.
The process itself was not painful at all with the windows or the roof. So I definitely do recommend people to go through your company because it just was a smooth transition from that old cruddy looking roof to this beautiful roof we have now.
I believe what makes us different compared to all of our competitors will be not only the product that we have, our customer service, what we're able to communicate at all time with the customer, everything that we're able to give them. All of our installers are all factory certified installers, which that means that we'll be doing a job correctly from start to finish. It'll guarantee the work for all the factory warranties that you might ask for, and it's all what we need to pass inspection and complete the job. Well, warranty issues are very simple for us. We like to go back out to the customer. We have our own inspectors who will verify the product, see if there was any damage, any other concerns that the customer might have. We'll send our technicians out. If we're not able to fix it with our technician, we do have warranty on product that we're able to order, reorder, replace at no cost to the customer. Some of the great things that we hear from customers is actually the good customer service our team provided, with all the communication steps that we take to assure that the customer is happy at all times. Most of our calls are actually from a customer who actually recommended somebody, and that's mainly all the customers that we get would be from our feedback of how we did our job, how good we did our job, and how we completed the job as the customer wanted.
Let Kevin and all the experts at FHIA help you with your roofing project. Call FHIA Remodeling at 888-828-FHIA.